Maddie, I have something for you today.
What is it?
It's a Squishmallow blind bag. What do you think? What can you get in there? Let me see the back. You can get common, rare, or legendary. All right, turn it around so you can see the front.
Can I have like the Lanky Box one we had?
Yeah, like the Lanky Box one, right?
Yeah, when you bought the Lanky Box one.
Yeah, I can't wait to see what's in there. All right, let's rip into that.
Let's see who we got. And here's the blind bag. Here's who we got.
Who is it? Let me see. Wow, is it squishy?
Yeah,
Yeah? No way.
it's adorable.
Hold it up so we can all see.
If you got one of these special blind bags, then comment down below
Yeah, comment down below.
and tell us what is your favorite.
What'd you get? Is it a common?
It's a legendary.
It's a legendary. No way. That is so cool.
I'm gonna put it at the bottom and then show him.
Perfect. That is so cool.
Do-do-do-do-do-do.
Like and subscribe.
Mhm.